So, of course, that side is still drying a bit. I love it. This one's not too long, not too chunky monkey. Oh, is it dry already? Oh, okay, good. Well, there you go. You know me, I'm all about seeing and feeling the stone. And that is a stunning California jade. Glass, glass, glass. I always buy the tiniest crimp beads I can find. Now to make it a little teeny bit better, if I find my silver bead covers. Oh, I just love it. Oh, I just love it. Don't you just love it? I love it. You want one? Okay, I don't have another one of those. We'd have to pick another stone. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's get this bagged up and let's just still leave that way. And move on to the next project. You sit over there. Oh, let's bring this over here. Oh, damn, I didn't bring a towel. Oh, well. I think I can figure something out. Oh, see, that sits on my fat knee comfortably. Okay. Well, I'm going to see what I can do. I'm sure there's black tourmaline under there, but I'll see what I can do. If I can't do nothing, we'll just get one of those little sticky things that goes on the bottom of like the feet on your, when you buy a little tiny radio or CD player, those little round things. I would just have to put those on there if this doesn't come out how I need it to.